Hey everyone, welcome back. To start with the new room, just click on the open today's room and I'm going to solve this room number 6. It is a OSINT based. So I'm going to first join this room by clicking join room. Okay, I have successfully joined this room. Now these are the task files. I'm going to download these task files. I have successfully downloaded this task file. There is a conversation screenshot. So let's read this first. Hey Lambo, hey Lambo, 5.0 for things. Doing well, thanks for asking. Separately by notice it's rating nice. Now the food weather and overall batch will probably come back next year. Allowed to hear it. So mm, the customers are getting more handling. Okay, noted. I've been posting so much on social media. I've been customers around. Okay, Ponzi is an influencer. You can see here, I never ended up getting 100. So that I could post for it next time. If I haven't seen those ever. Sorry, for some posts. So yeah, nowadays I don't really use much social media. Still out there, I used to. Okay, and social media until I put everything started with a G. So she uses a social media which starts with the letter G. So we have to find that social media, and here is a mail given, and it is a Gmail. Maybe it can be also a Gmail, but here it is saying it is a free tool that let me upload my profile and link on other social media accounts. Even with a Gmail, we can link other social media accounts, right? Like sign up with Google. So let's find out. And okay, let's first finish this. Wow, wow, seems very secretive. Maybe for the better that you don't use social media. Had some strange things have been happening in quite local times. Okay, so okay, first we have to find a social media that starts with G. So in this case, I'm going to take the help of the AI. So okay, I'm opening the ChatGPT. Think, let me try. I think, sorry. Okay, list me all the social media starts with G that can be what it is. So let's not upload profile and link other social media. I will check current platform and I know it is not showing. Okay, it is searching a website or websites. Let's wait for the response. Let's check one by one. It is a GitHub. Probably GitHub cannot be because it is for uploading source codes and all right. Okay, let's go to Gravatar. Okay, here it is, and you can buy. Going to here is a create profile, and you can see here also we can like link the social medias. Let's search for this is same. Let's search for Lambo. Okay, here is a email address it is asking. Let's try with this email address. Lambo White Lotus Hotel. Okay, I'm going to look up the profile. Here we go. We have successfully found this profile, and let's read this bio. Funny thing about email hashes, they follow places you didn't expect. Glad you found the right corner of the internet. Here is a price. I think this is the flag which is encrypted. Let's try to decode this hash. For that, I'm going to maybe it is base 64. I'm going to use base 64 decoder first. Let's paste it and decode. Okay, we have successfully found the flag. So that's it, guys. We have successfully completed this room. See you in the next room.